Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is multiple pages versus multiple context. In Playwright, multiple pages and multiple context look similar, but they solve different problems. If you choose the wrong one, text become flaky. A page is simply a browser tab. A context is a isolated browser session, like an incognito profile with its own cookies and storage. So the key difference is multiple pages in same context share the same login, cookies, and session. Multiple contexts do not share anything. Each context is isolated. Use multiple pages when you want the same user session working across tabs. Use multiple contexts when you want different users or clean isolation, especially for parallel execution. Here in the sample script, if you see, I created one context using the new context async method. Creates a single isolated session. Now I open two pages inside the same context using new page async method. Creates two tabs that share the same session. Page 1 and page 2 have the same session because they are using context 1. If I log in one page, the other page can reuse that login because it's the same context. Now I create another context. If you see, I created context 2 using the same new context async method. This new context has separate cookies and storage, which is isolated from context 1. This is how Playwright supports multi-user testing and stable parallel execution. I will run the script, then you will have better understanding. First, we loaded the Cogmento page. This is page 1 and this is page 2. If you see, this one is context 2. So if you see the difference, these are multiple pages, whereas this one is context with new session. That is the difference. How you identify the difference? Pages, if you see, this is only single page, which is isolated session, which means this one is isolated session. This one is sharing. Both are sharing the same cookies, same storage. Now I will close the application. Use multiple pages for multi-tab flows in same session and use multiple contexts for isolation and multi-user testing. Pages share session, context isolate session.